We are, I, our project name is Time Vault. It is of project category high tech. We are a team from Preset called Delete Code. I am Divyansh and I'll be explaining you the project today. The basic outline of the project is that the in many corporations we have issues securing sensitive documents like we can be legal contracts, financial reports, medical records, and this is a major challenge. And the traditional file sharing methods that we have in present, like email attachments and cloud storage links, they often lack strict time-based access control, which increases the risk of unauthorized access, data leaks, and additional security challenges. So our project addresses this gap by providing an basically an automated time-locked file sharing solution that ensures access is granted only for a predefined duration. You can define that duration. Once the time expires, the access is automatically deleted, and it eliminates the need for manual intervention. This enhances the security, prevents data breaches, and helps organizations maintain confidentiality. Additionally, it also mitigates cybersecurity risk by ensuring that outdated and sensitive files are not left vulnerable, and it can be email attachments or anywhere like that. With this system, businesses and enterprises can enforce very strict control over document access, ensuring legal compliance and also data integrity. Uh, as for the overview of the tech stack being used here, the backbone of our project is completely built on Java, which we are leveraging Spring system basically. So Spring Boot for backend and Spring Security for authentication and authorization, and WebSocket, Spring WebSocket for real-time communication. And on the encryption side, we are utilizing Python's PyCryptodome library to implement ASGSIM encryption, which is a form of cryptography again. And I could explain that ASGSIM is a symmetric encryption algorithm that basically combines high performance encryption along with integrity verification, which uses a counter for confidentiality and a field-based MAC for authentication, which basically ensures that files are protected along with the date time for managing time-based access control. The front end is developed completely using React and along with HTML, CSS for a good user interface. And for deployment, we'll be using Coeb, which is a serverless platform for scalable hosts. As for the abstract of the solution that we have provided, handling confidential files again is a major challenge, and our time-locked file sharing system operates as follows. The user uploads a file, sets an expiration timer, and defines an access level requirements. So the file is encrypted and access rights along with the expiry time are securely stored. Only authorized users can access the file within the valid time window. And once that time window expires, the file is permanently deleted. So there's no way we can get back to it. So this system basically ensures safety, prevents data leaks, eliminates unnecessary file retention, and automates data security. As for the use case and its beneficiaries, the primary beneficiaries include businesses, enterprises, and professionals requiring secure document sharing, as well as the healthcare, legal, and I would also say the defense and intelligence sector, which must comply with, again, the data protection laws of the land, like the DPDP Act 2023 and the IT Acts and Rules, all based in India. And a key use case is for, again, as I said, handling highly insensitive or classified information that strictly requires access control and automatic expiration. It can be the RAW, it can be the NIA, CPI, and whatnot. Yeah, coming to the time distribution, selecting the problem statement, as you can say, took us a good 1 week. We discussed it with our peers, with our professors in college, and all that. And it took us a good week to get this done. And I have actually, as you can see, this is how the time is distributed. Um, as for the future, Time Vault, our project has the potential for significant growth and enhancement beyond its current use of time-based encryption. Future developments, they could include multi-factor authentication, MFA, for better security, and geofencing to restrict access based on where you are or on location, and also blockchain-based audit trails to ensure transparency and some accountability of what's happening. And to improve scalability, again, we can integrate it with platforms like AWS, Azure, Google Drive, and whatnot. And as this is the world of AI, we can have AI-driven access controls to automate file expiration based on usage patterns. And another possible enhancement is advanced file management, where files can be categorized as, should they be auto-deleted or they should have a set period of records. They can be retained for a longer time or a shorter time and whatnot. Or we can also have a version history policy, allowing users to, recover or permanently delete those files based on their needs. This basically gives us better flexibility as to how the files can be managed, and that is our project in a nutshell.